In the early hours of October 1st, the Russian Ministry of Defense released a statement that sent shockwaves through Kyiv's military command. A coordinated strike by the Iskander-M operational tactical missile system and the Geran 2 kamikaze UAV had obliterated one of Ukraine's most significant long-range drone deployments to date. The attack, carried out near the village of Lavy in the Chernihiv region, not only destroyed 100 Lyuty long-range UAVs, but also defeated dozens of Ukrainian personnel and crippled a key element of the country's unmanned aerial operations. For Moscow, this wasn't just a battlefield success. It was a carefully calculated message. Russia's counter-UAV strategy is evolving, and it is deadly effective. So this is what we have to tell you. The scale of destruction near Lavy was unprecedented. According to official reports, an Iskander-M missile strike targeted a launch site and a convoy of trucks carrying long-range UAVs. The convoy, consisting of 20 trucks transporting 100 Lyuty drones, was en route to forward positions where the drones were to be launched deep into Russian-held territory. Within moments of the Iskander strike, the site was engulfed in flames as ammunition and drones detonated in a chain reaction. But the devastation didn't end there. As emergency crews and surviving personnel scrambled to respond, a wave of Geran 2 kamikaze drones descended on the highway, striking additional vehicles and igniting 5 more trucks carrying UAVs. The result was catastrophic. The Ukrainian armed forces lost not only the drones and vehicles, but also 60 personnel, including UAV operators, technicians, and truck drivers, the backbone of their long-range drone operations. Russian military emphasized that the convoy wasn't just a logistical movement. It was part of a larger Ukrainian effort to ramp up deep strike capabilities, potentially aimed at Russian infrastructure and military bases far beyond the front line. The successful Russian strike, therefore, wasn't merely tactical, it was strategic, crippling Ukraine's ambitions to escalate its drone warfare campaign before it could even begin. This wasn't the first time Iskander-M systems had delivered a devastating blow to Ukrainian air capabilities in the Chernihiv region. Just 2 weeks prior, Russian forces launched a precision strike on a Ukrainian S-300 PS surface-to-air missile battery near the settlement of Progress. The results were equally destructive. An acquisition and engagement radar, 2 launchers, a mobile command post, and 2 support vehicles were completely destroyed. Secondary explosions and fires ripped through the site, and reconnaissance footage later confirmed that a Ukrainian evacuation group had been present during the strike. These consecutive strikes paint a clear picture of Russia's evolving strategy. Instead of focusing solely on frontline battles, Moscow is increasingly targeting Ukraine's support and launch infrastructure, the hidden backbone of its drone and missile operations. By striking at launch sites, convoys, and logistics hubs, Russia is not only neutralizing immediate threats, but also undermining Ukraine's ability to sustain a long-range strike campaign over time. In this context, the October 1st strike was not just a tactical success. It was part of a broader, relentless campaign to degrade Ukraine's deep strike capabilities and reassert Russian dominance in the skies. We all know that at the heart of this operation were 2 of Russia's most versatile and feared weapons: the Iskander-M operational tactical missile system and the Geran series of kamikaze drones. The Iskander-M has long been a cornerstone of Russia's precision strike capability. Its ability to deliver powerful payloads with pinpoint accuracy makes it ideal for high-priority strikes like the one on October 1st. However, in this operation, the Iskander's role was only part of the equation. The real star was the Geran family of drones, which has become one of Russia's most effective tools in asymmetric aerial warfare. Originally introduced as part of Russia's expanding loitering munition arsenal, the Geran 2 has transformed the landscape of drone warfare. Its relatively low cost and simple design make it ideal for mass deployment, overwhelming enemy air defenses, and causing significant damage for a fraction of the cost of a conventional missile. The latest iterations of Geran 2 have received notable upgrades, including improved satellite navigation systems, enhanced electronic countermeasures, and an extended operational range that now exceeds 1,000 kilometers. These upgrades allow the drone to operate more effectively against modern air defense systems, making interception increasingly difficult. Moreover, its enhanced endurance and loitering capabilities enable it to conduct persistent surveillance before striking, ensuring maximum effectiveness. However, military analysts believe the October 1st strike may have involved not only upgraded Geran 2 units, but also the new Geran 3, a more advanced and less widely documented evolution of the system. Early reports suggest that Geran 3 builds on its predecessor's strengths while introducing significant improvements such as increased payload, capacity, greater range potentially surpassing 1,200 kilometers, and improved stealth characteristics that reduce its radar signature. Some sources also speculate that Geran 3 incorporates a more sophisticated guidance package, enabling it to strike moving or time-sensitive targets, a capability that would align perfectly with the precision required to destroy convoys and mobile drone launch units like those near Lavy. If true, the possible deployment of Geran 3 in this operation would mark a new stage in Russia's drone warfare strategy. It would signal that Moscow is not only scaling production, but also continuously evolving its loitering munitions to stay ahead of Ukrainian air defenses. Combined with the Iskander-M's high-speed, precision missile strikes, the Geran series, particularly with the emergence of Geran 3, represents a layered and adaptive threat capable of dismantling Ukraine's most advanced and ambitious aerial operations before they can ever take flight. The synergy between these two systems is no coincidence. The Iskander-M delivers a swift, high-explosive strike against hardened targets, while the Geran drones exploit the resulting chaos to hunt down remaining vehicles, secondary targets, or retreating units. In the October 1st strike, this combination was devastating. Iskander missiles crippled the convoy's core infrastructure, and Geran drones, potentially including the new Geran 3, ensured total destruction, leaving nothing behind but wreckage and smoldering debris. So that's what we have for today. Thanks for watching.